Whoa, does your dog bite?
No, but I do. Ruff, ruff.
Now what?
Larry, I've been walking all over West Hollywood in my brand new Gucci knockoffs and I can't find the goddamn groomer anywhere. Where is this freaking place?
Jesus, Phoebe, it's a mobile groomer. He comes to you.
Oh.
It's a Groupon. He's probably outside right now. Giovanni's got to be clean for the shoot tomorrow. He can't miss this.
All right, I got it.
Honestly, I don't even know how the girl functions.
So there, I heard your dog booked a commercial.
What? How did you know?
Yeah, well, I just want to say congrats, or should I say woof woof?
Hey.
Is this Giovanni?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, he's gorgeous.
So how do we do this? Do you need a hose or something? We have a shower, you know. Fits 2, sometimes 3.
Oh, we do everything right here in the van.
What?
Man's best friend. What a joke. He's supposed to be my companion, not my competition. I mean, that's why I adopted him in the first place. I didn't plan on getting an animal. I mean, I was fine, living my life, minding my own business. And then he walked in. He was so young, so hot. I knew the moment I saw him, I was done for. It's all happening so fast.
I know. If it wasn't for you...
Well, that's what you get for falling in love with an illegal Guatemalan pool boy.
Jesus Christ!
You shouldn't leave a dog outside like this.
Who the hell are you, Animal Services?
No, but I should be. Do you realize how valuable this dog is?
What?
Are you the owner?
Maybe. Why?
With a face like that, he should be in movies. Here, this is my card. Call me. This dog has star quality.
Thanks so much for watching our show, Doggone It. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel below and click here to see a preview of next week's episode. It's gonna be huge! Alright, I'm sorry. I messed up.